makers, welcome to my channel Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making oatmeal cream pies. So let's take a break and bake. The ingredients you need are 3 cups of uncooked quick cooking oats, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of dark molasses, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. For decoration you need 3 cups of powdered sugar, 3/4 cups of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright guys, so the first step to making these oatmeal cream pie cookies is to cream together your butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. So just cream this together on medium speed with a mixer until light and fluffy. Once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and add your 1 large egg, molasses, and your vanilla. Then you're just gonna mix that up all together until well combined. Now in a medium-sized bowl, you're gonna combine your flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and cloves. Whisk that all together and then combine it with your quick cooking oats. If you don't have quick cooking oats, that's completely fine. Just take 3 cups of normal whole rolled oats and put them in a food processor and pulse them for 4 to 5 times or until they resemble quick cooking oats. And now it's time to mix it up. Alright, so once your dry mixture is all mixed with the oats, you're gonna go ahead and slowly mix that in with your butter mixture. Whenever you're adding the dry ingredients, the mixture is gonna get really thick, and if it gets too thick for your mixer, just go ahead and start mixing it by hand until everything's well incorporated. Now using a cookie scoop, mine holds 1½ tablespoons. Just scoop some cookie out and put it onto your tray. But if you're using 1½ tablespoons of your dough mixture, make sure to spread your cookies out 1½ inches apart because these cookies will spread and you don't want them to come together because then you won't have the perfect oatmeal cream pie cookies. So once your cookies are all on the tray, I only put 6 at a time on my tray, put them in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes or until they're lightly golden brown on the edges. After the 10 minutes, you want to take them out of the oven and just let them cool on that tray for 3 minutes. And so after those 3 minutes, take them off of the cookie tray and put them on a cooling rack and let them set until they're completely cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and start working on the decorations for these oatmeal cream cookie, which is really just the frosting. So what we're gonna do in our mixer, you're gonna beat your butter for about 1 minute until creamy. Then you're gonna slowly add your powdered sugar and mix that until it's well combined. Whenever your powdered sugar and butter are mixed real well, you're gonna go ahead and add your vanilla and your heavy whipping cream and mix this on high for 3 to 4 minutes. If it's a little too sweet to your liking, or if you think it needs some salt, just go ahead and add a pinch or 2 of salt to your taste. Whenever the cookies are all cool and your frosting is all complete, go ahead and put your frosting in a piping bag and you're just gonna pipe some of the frosting on the bottom part of an oatmeal cookie and then take another oatmeal cookie and sandwich the frosting in between the 2 cookies. And then you have an oatmeal cream pie cookie. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these oatmeal cream pie cookies. So if you enjoyed this video, click some more. I have many other videos. 2 of them are right here. YouTube recommends this top one. I recommend this bottom one. Subscribe to my channel by clicking the baking and buttercream icon over here and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. Alright guys, see you next week, and I'm gonna eat all these because they're delicious.